What's up guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am very excited to bring to you guys a new brand. You guys know that I love trying out and testing out new brands, and I figured why not go ahead and kick off the new year with a new brand, and that brand is Elizabeth Mott. So they have a wide range of products, everything from brows to lips to skin, foundation, primer, everything you need to make a full face they have available. And I am very excited to create a full glam look using just this one brand. So first I'm going to take the Queen of the Fill brow pomade in the shade Dark Chocolate. It is a really pretty soft brown mousse. Going in with a bit of the brow pomade, I'm going to go ahead and just outline my brows. And as y'all can see, this product is definitely very pigmented, which is a good thing. So I'd recommend starting off a little bit and building it up as you go. And then softly filling it in. So I went ahead and cleaned up under my brows with some concealer. Next up, I'm going to take the Thank Me Later Shadow Primer and apply this to my eyes just to act as a nice shadow base for our makeup look. Just to prevent your shadow from creasing and breaking up throughout the day. Okay, now for our eye look, I'm going to go in with the Elizabeth Mott Natural Palette. It is a really easy to use and simple yet sultry palette, and we are going to get to creating. So I'm going to go in with this soft matte brown shade here and just apply this all over my crease. Just acts as a nice transition shade for our look. Alrighty, our transition shade is on. Next up, I'm actually going to dip into the contour palette. Because this palette here doesn't have any darker matte shades, I'm going to take this shade here in that contour palette and apply that to the crease as well to kind of deepen up that crease area. Now for my lid, I'm going to take this really pretty brown metallic shade here. I'm going to actually just apply it with my fingers just because I feel like it would probably pay off a little bit better if I use my fingers. So I'm going to just take this, it's really pretty, and just apply this all over my eyelid. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this dark smoky charcoal shade here. I'm going to say small flat shader brush and just smoke this along my lash line. And I'm actually making a slight wing, very slight wing. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the eyes alone for now. I'm gonna go ahead and now apply my primer to my face. This is the Thank Me Later face primer. It is mattifying, pore minimizing, and long lasting. So I went ahead and applied some foundation and also some concealer under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, and Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to go ahead and set those areas with a lighter powder just to kind of brighten up my face a little bit more and really set that concealer in place. So I'm going to take the Set for Life loose setting powder in the shade Medium Deep. It is a really soft, almost banana colored loose setting powder. I'm going to go ahead and just apply this under my eyes and basically everywhere I apply that concealer. Bam, bam. And then to bronze up the skin, I'm going to take that same contour palette from Elizabeth Mott. I'll probably go in with this shade here and see how that works. And this is the shade Contour 4 from that palette. To add some color to the cheekbones, I'm going to take this Show Me Your Cheeks blush in the shade Bright Coral and just pop that onto the cheekbones. Gonna dust away that baking powder. Yes, I love that. Now, because I did a really sultry eye, kind of like a bronzy eye, I thought that pairing with a really pretty bright red lip would be really nice. So I'm going to take the Color is Bay lip crayon here, and it is in the shade Cherry. And just apply this to my lips. And then to fill in my lips, I'm going to take the Color is Bay liquid lipstick in the shade Darling Red. I'm going to go ahead and set my brows with a tinted brow gel in medium dark. Just make sure that they stay in place all day and they don't budge. And then I want to go back into this natural palette and take this light matte shade here. And just pop this at the highest point of my brow bone. Now to smoke out the lower lash line a little bit more, I went ahead and applied a brown liner to my waterline. And now I'm going to go in with this, it's like a purple almost. And just apply this to my lower lash line and smoke this out. So you guys, here is the almost completed look. I'm going to go ahead and pop on a pair of falsies off camera, do my hair real quick, and I'll come back with the final look. Alright guys, so I went ahead and applied some falsies off camera, took my hair down, added on some earrings, and we are almost done with the look, but I have to go ahead and add on some mascara, of course, to kind of help blend the natural lashes with the falsies. So I'm going to go ahead and take the It's So Long Lengthening Mascara, and just apply this to my top lashes. And then for my bottom lashes, I want to take the It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. So once you've gone ahead and done all that, you guys, here is the final look. I do want to note real quick that off camera, I did go ahead and apply just a little bit of a darker plum liner around the lips. I felt like the lips were a bit too flat, and so I thought that adding on a plum lip to create more of an ombre lip would really help to amp up the look, and I think that it really did. So just wanted to share that I did that off camera, and I feel like it really took the look up to a whole nother level. And I feel like this combination here is a really good example of how you can easily pair a red lip with a smoky eye. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you so much to Elizabeth Mott for sponsoring this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.